Today in this video we will see how to download Thread app. This is amazing and new update from Instagram and Twitter. You can easily use your Instagram account like Twitter. You can use and create post like Instagram on Thread app. This is amazing method how to download Thread app. Next video we will learn how to create account on Thread app. Just open your Play Store account, then click on search bar. Here you can see type thread from Instagram. Search this term on search bar and let's see this result. And after searching, here you can see in the second number thread and Instagram black logo, and just click on Thread app. This is amazing method how to download this app. Next we will learn all about Instagram Thread app and create account, and explain all setting about Thread app. If you want to watch all Instagram tips and tricks video related to Instagram, kindly check our YouTube channel. If you like this video, share it with friend. See you in the next video. Goodbye.